Ene kandarathi arĩa mahetwo mawĩra ngũrani nĩ thirikari hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera kĩrĩa kĩahanĩkire mwaka mũthiru nyũmba-inĩ ya KICC marakaĩra thirikari ĩmarĩhe mbeca ciao. Makĩaria mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya ũgendi ya mbunge maugĩte marutire wĩra na makĩria ma ciringi mirioni 600 no gũkinyĩria rĩu mĩeri 10 thutha ũcio matirĩ marĩhwo. Maugĩte thirikari yahũthĩrire gĩthũri kũmanengera kandarathi icio na gũkinyĩria rĩu marĩhĩtwo o gĩcunjĩ gĩa 17 kĩa mbeca ciao na marageria kũria ministry ya ũgendi ĩmarĩhe no nĩ mahingĩire matũ.
They are very structured, they have got all fields, they have got engineers, landscape architects, so they can actually oversee most of the scopes, and they did their job. And we were assured in regular meetings, the meetings were held every day, to be honest, around 10, and we were assured that our funds will be released around August. By the time we were in the middle of the event, construction, we will be given funds. You'll need to know how we managed to actually raise resources to do this. Some of us went to banks, some of us have direct relationships with suppliers, and many other ways of getting funds, all of which systems have.
As much as everything happened the way it happened, and we sought audience with defense, with different people, really to understand how are we going to be paid, but we never got that audience. On March the 12th is when we were instructed by some members of KDF to go for a meeting with China We. And I think for us at that point, it really did not matter who is going to pay us. We really just wanted to be paid.
I think it's very important we get the advert from KICC. And KICC should share the same so that we can get more information. And then those ones that came through KDF, was it through documented or a word of letters or something of the sort, or just word of mouth? Maybe we need a clarity on that so that we can pursue it.